ILOS Energy is a German headquartered solar developer, develops utility scale solar parks across Europe in 7 different jurisdictions, one of course of which is Ireland. It was founded by Nico Crana and Michael Winter in 2018, and since July it's been owned by 60% by AXA Investment managers.
Soleire Renewables are a solar development company specifically set out to look at developing utility-scale solar projects with our partners in ILOS to further construct and build and get to operational stage.
ILOS is an independent power producer, or IPP. By partnering with Soleire, we're now supporting the delivery of over 1 gigawatt utility-scale solar pipeline across 6 solar farms in Ireland, and that's exactly the kind of ambition ILOS was set up to back.
We'll be looking at the corporate PPA market, which means that we'll be selling to large customers directly. So we'll be talking to a number of hyperscalers in the data center sector, but also large energy users to partner with them. But we want trusted partners for the long haul.
We have a number of projects that are already at construction, like the project in Rosscray and project in Charleville, County Cork, both significant in their own right. There are 250 megawatts installed capacity each. So our other projects then are quite large. We have a 500 megawatt project. So between those initially we have 1 gigawatt, and our pipeline then we have a further 1 gigawatt at early stages of planning in different parts of the country.
ILOS is investing heavily in Ireland. Together we're investing about 300 million, but we've got 4 other large-scale utility projects in development with Soleire Renewables. So altogether we'd probably invest about €1 billion over the next few years in Ireland.
Soleire Renewables select their locations very strategically and purposefully so that we can get access to the grid. Because of the size and scale of our projects, we need to be getting access to the 110, 220 infrastructure. So that somewhat determines our locations. And we have ongoing collaboration with EirGrid and ESB on how that's best utilised. We want to be part of the solutions for the national grid, as well as making sure we get the best quality projects up and running.